If you've ever started a woodworking project and gotten stuck halfway through because the plans didn't make sense, this video is going to save you a lot of wasted wood and wasted weekends. Most woodworking plans online are vague. They skip steps. They assume you already know things you don't. So you end up guessing, and guessing with power tools is how projects get ruined, or worse, how people get hurt. If you're a beginner, or even if you've been doing this a while but want to build bigger, more ambitious pieces, the problem isn't your skill, it's that you don't have a real blueprint. That's exactly why I want to show you Ted's Woodworking. It's a collection of over 16,000 step-by-step woodworking plans, everything from small crafts to full furniture builds. Every plan comes with detailed instructions, a complete materials list, and diagrams that actually show you what to do at each stage, not just a finished picture and a shrug. Here's what makes it different. You're not stuck searching random forums for half-finished plans. Everything is organized, so whether you want to build a bookshelf, a shed, a dining table, or a birdhouse, there's a plan ready to go. It's built for beginners, but there's enough depth for experienced woodworkers too. And because it's downloadable, you can pull up the plan right on your phone or tablet in the workshop. No printing required. This isn't some brand new, unproven product. Ted's Woodworking has been one of the top-selling woodworking resources for years, and it's been featured in publications like Woodworker's Journal. Thousands of people have used these plans to build real projects, not just theory. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building with confidence, I've put the link to Ted's Woodworking in the description below. Click it, take a look, and see the kind of projects you could be building this weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.